things that you, if you are having any doubt or something, you can just ask after I complete out these whole things. Okay, got it. So after, so all right. So let me share my screen once. Just wait for some minutes. All right. Once again, I do welcome you all over here. So basically, the thing is that you are means you are onboarded over here, and you will be working over here, all in the live product team. But before going on to the live product, yes, on the production environment where the developers are working, before that you need to focus your skills. Like if you are eligible for that, then you will be getting the live clients product, and on which the developers are working, and within that developer you will be working under them as a junior developer. Okay, so right now means you will be getting the requirements, your team details and everything by the team, okay, by the training team. And you will be having your mentors of each means all the domains that you have opted for. Okay. So for each domain, there will be a different mentors. They will be guiding you throughout it's the trainings part, and also throughout the projects that you will be developing. And they will also be explaining you how you need to do the projects, and how means what are features you need to implement, and also including that you'll also be getting a proper documentation in which all the features and everything the requirements in it will be there on there, and you will be having all that thing at your hand also. Okay, and the basically the mentor will be means they will not be always available. Always means, let's say, at night or on the time when some other works are going. So basically, the mentor are directly the when some of means if you are talking about the web development or the Java development or software development or cyber security, so they the mentors are also contributing onto the live clients product also. Okay, so they are having a quite experience and also knowledge on working on within the client and on the live products. So they will be giving you the tips and techniques like how and what will be the best thing that you need to do, and what should you learn and how to excel on that. All right. So these are things they will be explaining you on a very crisp and or a explanatory manner. So I'll just ask you some of the questions like let's say if you are in a UI UX team, okay. So what will be your someone is just raise your hand who are there from UI UX. All right. So this question is you for you only. Like, what do you expect actually means from the training team, and what means after that I'll be expect means explaining you what are the expectations that the company will be having with you, and also that will be beneficial for your career growth too. Okay. Yeah. Anyone from the UX team, you can turn on your mic and you can speak. All right. It seems like you're not interested. All right. Let's see. Man, so yeah, keep your hands down. It's fine. Who are there from the software development? Either it is means web development actually. Who are there? Please raise your hand. Okay. So same question for you also. Like what is your uh, means expectations from the training team as well as the product that you're building, and all the things. What's your expectations? Tell me
Developing
guys.
skills.
Yes, what? Answer me, please. Hello.
Development skills.
Enhance.
So to
One
contribute
by
and
one.
enhance our skills to begin our career using this internet.
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. Correct. That's what I was asking actually. To contribute onto the product and to learn how to means how the products are being developed. production environment. That is the basic thing that you need to learn as a software developer over here. Okay. After learning that, it's not about learning, just you need some experience. Like from that experience only you will be learning and auto learning like how if the problem comes, how to tackle them. Okay. That is the primary skill that we can that you should have if you are aspiring for a software development uh, career path. Got it. So that's the thing. Very nice, very good. So yeah, let's continue with the profiling. So basically, as you all know, like this is a Bangalore-based company, and we are also opening our corporate means we are taking our corporate office for a small development team at Bangalore, Mahadevpura, co-working space. That will be our first uh, the corporate building at Bangalore. Okay, before that we are at means currently the team is at Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and also there are multiple teams in Gujarat also and in Delhi also. Okay, so they are working on a different product. It's very small team, and also means the large team means who are working directly with the clients and who are means dealing with the clients and onboarding the projects. That all means maximum of the things we do online only, work from home. Got it. So basically, the whole population for the development team is working online only, and developers are working and they are means, getting everything over there from morning till night. They will be logging and that all things for them who are FT. For you, it is not inclusive. Like you are not required to do that all things, and company will also will not be asking about the logins and all that. But the thing is, what are the things that you need to adhere over there is the trainings. Okay, because if you are excelling on the trainings and the second one, not these trainings are the second one. The first one and the primary one is the product that you will be developing. Okay, you will be getting three products to be developed in your means in your entire tenure period. Okay, of 3 months. Okay, and on that 3 months you will be having the third month also you will be having some grooming sessions like on means if we are sending you some onto our client's company directly, so you will be experiencing the direct communication with the client. So for that, what are things that you need to understand on how to crack that, and also some of the clients will also be asking you as like means let's say like you are working on a product that is belong to a client A. Okay, so in the first place, if means you will not be understanding like for which client you are working about. Okay, so the client will always be watching your work throughout your GitHub. Okay, they will be having the access and you will also be delivering the regular updates to them. And also the training team will always be asking you for showing your product over in this session. Okay, what are the things that you have completed and how much you have excelled, and what are the things that you have means, gathered in your mind on the means that learning part. Okay, everything they will be asking you on the session. So on that part also the client will also be seeing your product if they like your product, means if they like your thinking sense, if they like your means anything that they want it is aligning with their requirement, then they can directly reach out to you also and they can schedule a interview or some test round for you, and you may directly be going on to the client's company directly from by comments on the time when you are pursuing over here in your internship. Okay, so like this, it may be happen. So everything is dependent on your performance and on your thing. Okay, means what means how much and how good you are delivering your contributions. Okay, so that are things you need to adhere with it. Okay, and other than that, what are the things that you need to ensure in yourself is like you need to deliver means whatever the requirement will prompts. You need to give the 100% as 100% on what are the clients need. So you need to do a research first, and after that you can jump off to the for developing the real product. Okay. So when you are jumping onto the real product, before that you should have a crisp idea of the problem statement. Like, yeah, actually, what problem I will be solving over it. Right? So that will be the thing that will bring your product up. If you are clear with your idea, like what means your product will solve these all problems, then you can accept. Okay. So the first priority will be innovation. Like let's say the client has asked you to develop a UI for their application that should be means always been a dark theme. Okay. But you think like within the dark theme, if you add some accent on purple or that other things, it will enhance the look. Okay. So that all innovations, like this type of innovations on features as well as on the UIs, as well as on the logics, as well as on the operations, means the flow of the application, everything that you can do so that your product means will be a different product from all the others, because we will be having 10 to 12 teams over there for each domain. Okay, so you means whoever will be excelling, they will be getting the chance for that. No, so that's why the competition will be lies on there. Okay, so you need to adhere that, and you need to do that accordingly. You need to see the existing applications if there is. Okay, learn that, and after that you can develop your own application. And first priority, you should learn developing, and after that, you should develop the best. Okay, that's the thing. And also, that product should be means totally responsive, and it should adhere the properties that client is means client will directly giving it to you, and it should also be having some extra features that is not being mentioned that will contribute to your innovations that will be coming under your bias of action. Okay, your own ownership of the product. Okay, that it will be coming on to that part. Okay, so that all things you need to adhere with. And other than that, I have already told you about that all things. And yeah, so purpose. So basically, the purpose over here for you all first is how the work is being done in a development company. But if you are developing a software, if you are developing a security feature as a cybersecurity analyst, means if you are a UX frame designer, so how much it is means fulfilling the purpose of the requirement that you need to adhere. Okay, and continue. You should have a knack of like continuous learning and exploring things. Means let's say means if we are giving you uh, a software to be developed in one stack, okay, so you will be learning it. Means you should be fragile, you should be means scalable in your mind. Like yeah, if it is non-stack or mean stack, if I don't know, if I don't have any experience on mean stack, then also I can do by learning. Okay, that nature, that knack you should have to get a good position over on any of the company or any of the field. Because nowadays the companies do like the versatile people who can do, I mean, who can uh, adapt on any of the interfaces. Okay, so they are looking for that type of people. So if you want, so you can modify yourself, you can means change yourself according to the time. So if you are changing according to the time, if you are evolving according to the time, then you will be staying updated and you will be on the top. If you are not updating yourself, if you are not updating with the technology, then you will be outdated. Obviously, that's the rule. Okay, so these are things you need to uh, learn, and also to try to enhance this if you are already having these features. Okay, so we are not just a developer, we are the visionaries that is written over there. Means we do commitments, what we commit to the client, we need to do it, and also before that we need to have that thing in our hand so that we can give a proper tested and tried product that company can use on their business directly without any interventions. Okay, so that is the only USP that we are having. Due to that, once we have already got 200 plus projects, and we are doing means currently 59 or 50 software development products are currently running at our partner. Okay. So this is the thing, like we do take the ownership of the product, means ownership of the requirement that are being given by the client. Okay. So that whatever the business that the client will want to happen, means they want to be there. So they needs to be satisfied. That needs that particular thing needs to be satisfied. Okay. Like if we are developing the software, if that is not performing on the live field, okay, when the means it is hampering their business, and also it is means the client sees it is not working as he wants that to be. Okay. So in that case, it will be means our reputation. It will be a question at our reputation also, and also our it will be a question on our development also. Okay. So that's why we ensure the quality as well as the cost of that application after launch. Okay. Means see, if the application is launched and it is taking too much of resources, then also it's not a scalable product and it's not a successful product. It can be. Correct. So that is the thing. That's why we ensure that also. So we are innovator over here. Okay. Whatever innovations that you want to do on the product, whatever editing and that are things that you want to do in your product, you can take your own ownership and do it. Okay. But we should, your product should have all the requirement that is being given. Okay. That is the basic thing that needs to be there. Okay. So like this, you need to work on the product, and this is our vision, like to enhance the business of our clients and also us. Okay, we are also enhancing our scope also. Means you can see like multiple domains have been launched that you have opted for. Other than this, we are also launching our cloud infrastructure as well as cloud development domain. So soon you will be having some more domains in your hand to be experienced with. Okay, you can also switch your domain according to your need. Okay, after completion. Okay, and you can do means directly. So it will not be means any other process that you need to follow. Directly you can switch it to and also get certified on that. Okay, so on the cloud also we will be opening very soon, and also on the hardware IoT parts that also we are trying to open it. Okay, so we actually want to have all type of solutions that we can do at our end from our end. Okay, that we can provide in our 100% quality. So we do also ensure that whatever the thing that we are starting, let's say I'm telling you like means if means right now I've told you like we'll be starting a new business on the cloud security as well as on the architecture. Okay. So we will be ensuring first like we can do or not. Means let's say like at the end when we are onboarding a product on means, for a client. So we need to deliver it as we want and we need to deliver them more. Okay. So that if their business grows up, then only our business will be going up. Got it. So everything lies on the business model only that they are trying to speak, that the clients are trying to speak, speak, and that all services that what we are providing them. Okay. So everything is interconnected. Got it. So mission is also that's only we want to go worldwide. Okay, we are already going on worldwide. We have multiple clients from Africa also, and also US. We have multiple clients, and also we have some European clients also that for them we are developing their entire business on their e-commerce, and multiple things are being running over here, right? So you'll be having an ample opportunity if you are performing over here to contribute onto a scalable product. And if you are doing your product, I mean, if you are experienced, if you are going for an client-based project, the live product, so for that, some of the requirements that are means that you need to have means the first thing you need to have a minimum of 3 months of experience, okay, in a company, means internship or anything. After that, only we can give you the means if you are opting for that, then only we can ensure that you can deliver the product. Means you can means work on to the client's product directly. Okay. So means that you need to do, and other than that, you need to also excel on the on your internship period on the product side. Okay, like what? Like if it is adhering the software development side, means rules or not, SDLC and everything, it is following or not, your product is following or not, that all you need to ensure. Okay, if you are ensuring, then we will also be seeing that, and if we are seeing, we will be approving it. Okay, so like that, the business model grow and it will be used. Okay, so like this we need to do. And anyway, the trainers will always be there for your support, for your guidance, everything. Okay. And whenever there will be a problem, you can directly escalate it to the team also. If there is an uneven problem that is happening with you over training period or on your internship period. Okay, means while doing internship, if there is some doubt like which can't be solved by the trainer or someone else, you can directly escalate it to the company. And other than that, if you have some means doubt on how to develop it, or if you're confused on the product side, you can directly ask your trainer for that to help you out of that. They will be giving some idea like you can do this, you can do that. That will be a good approach for doing that. Okay, do adhere what they say because they are experienced. They can means what they are speaking is on is completely based on their experience. Okay, learn the things and grow accordingly. If you're not knowing anything, learn it. Okay, don't means, see like yeah, if I'm not knowing, so I'll just sit idle. I will not do anything. At the end, we will be getting the certificate. So that's not a thing. We want you to innovate. Okay, so that's why you need to contribute more. You need to have a hunger of means innovation. Like what all extra we can add onto a product so that that product should be going on in a USP business. Okay, so that you know. Yeah, so here I have written some of the services that are currently we are providing under software development. There are two domains that we have provided to you. First one will be that MERN stack, that will be the web development, complete application development, web app development. And the second one will be the software development, that is on Java. Okay, that is also an application development. The next who are doing the Java, they will be means going on to the tooling department. Means they can be developing some tools for the company, means the internal tools for quality checks for means that type of things that are means internal tools that will be having internal sensitive data included in it and will be performing some tasks. So that type of tools they will be developing. And for the web development team, you will be developing the direct applications which will be running events, which will be responsible for running all the businesses. Okay. So like this cybersecurity is also there, data analytics there, data science, machine learning is there, mobile application is mobile application development is also there using Flutter. I don't think like right now it is being given to you, okay, because certain products that had come to certain projects that we are doing right now that is that we can't allow you to work on that because it is too sensitive and it is having some critical NDAs on it. So that's why we haven't provided right now that mobile application development. Soon we will be providing you that also. And cloud infrastructure and development and security, I have already told you about that. Okay. So we are on multiple fields and which the development is already going on and we will also be developing. Okay. So that is all the things software engineering you all know. Well, parts that I have already explained you right now. Cyber security means here basically what you will be doing like means you will be basically working on the product that we have developed. It is the pipelines are secured or not. Pipelines means the application will be directly interacting with the customer's data. Okay, if that is secure or not, if any technique that means that will cause a fatal or a data leak that you will be analyzing. Okay, that are things you will be doing over your data integrity part. Okay, that are things you will be handling over if you are in a cybersecurity domain. Okay, and data engineering, as you all know, under data engineering, data science, and machine learning, everything, you will be working. You might be working as a data associate, data engineer, data trainer, that type of profiles you will be having. Okay, so basically this profile is based on the top right now, software development. After software development, data engineering and data science and machine learning, that is on the top. Okay, because why? Like nowadays, everything is being automated. So for the automation, you need to learn how the data flow is working. Okay, so whenever you are means analyzing the data, data means the whole business data. Okay, that will be having means the consumers can be having it on Excel or on any format, on a playbook format, okay, anything that can be happen. Okay, so how to make means the redundant tasks that means people are doing, how to automate it, that all things, that all decisions, that all means data. means how you will be showcasing the data and how much it is feasible and how the business is going on. Everything depends on these all things. And if you are going for the machine learning, so then we will be working on an LLM. Okay, how you are training an LLM and what are features you can implement on it, and how what are the things that you can innovate from a model actually. Okay, and how to create a model and what are the resources, everything they means that will be there under that domain. Okay, so basically it is a very interesting domain after the software development. Okay, the data science and machine learning, and also the data engineering. Okay, the data analytics. Okay, um, that's currently in a boom in the in our sector. So yeah, these are the sectors that we have opened up, and on the software engineering only means all the things that are there, and on the software training part, we have already collaborated with multiple training companies. They will be training you on the products, and they will be having the trainers on board after this means introductory session only. Okay, next day or might be 2 days. Okay, so you will be having some sessions on it, like some and not some ones have a dedicated sessions on which everyone and all the trainers will be explaining their part and everything. Okay, we'll be having a different sessions on a different time slots. Okay, that they will be giving it to you with the syllabus as well as the project documentation as well as everything. Okay, so if you are doing great on your internship period, then you can expect something. If you are not means adhering the quality, if you are not adhering the means giving the best out of it, or someone from your team, means within your team there will be sub teams. Okay, so someone from the sub teams is doing a very great job, and you are not doing and you're not contributing that much. So in that case, you will not be getting the chance. Okay, so you need to do. Everyone needs to be there in the race. Okay, because I'm clearly saying it's a race because you can see multiple people's are. There are many people who are aspiring for that. Okay, and you have got a chance, so make out of it. Okay, what I suggest. Okay, what I recommend also. So as you are having the platform, you can use it, and also learn the guidance that so trainer will be giving it to you, and what we will also be giving you multiple times. We will also be coming and checking out the quality of the trainings as well as your products that you are developing or whatever the problems that you are facing. Okay, at that time you need to speak up and you need to say like, yeah, these are problems are there that we need to solve. Okay, if we are solving, then it will be a uh, means then it will be fine. Means the process will be running fine. Okay, so that all process improvement sessions will also be there. There you can also contribute and get benefited on that also, like how we can improve. Okay, the trainings as well as on the development, as well as on the engineering team, as well as on the science part. Okay, everything. Okay, so yeah, these are the things that we have across everything. So basically, for the software engineering, I will be the tech lead. Means under me there will be means 10 to 12 teams. Under that, the trainers will be there, and for each of the trainings, I will be assigning the trainers over there, and they will be training you. For the software engineering, is the web development as well as for Java development. For both of the things, you can directly reach out to me if anything was unexpectedly happening in your field or in your domain, then you can reach out to me directly. I will be handling that. Other than that, your first POC will be the admin that you are having on your hand. You can directly ask them whatever the doubt that you are having. Okay, do not bother them like calling or that type of thing, because everyone is busy over here. They are doing their own work, and including that, this is also not so running. Okay, so that's why just ask them, mail them, or message them. After that, wait for the response. They will be responding very soon. It is not like the team is not responding. Okay, everyone will be responding. You will be getting your queries resolved within 12 to 24 hours by any chance. Okay, if anything missing. Okay, we will also ensure the quality should be on the top, and I will personally means work on that, and I will be working, and I am working on that enhancing the quality of the trainings as well as for your betterment. Okay. So basically, I will be the tech lead, and the trainers will be there. The trainers will be your first POC. If they are not listening, you can directly reach out to me, and I will be also taking some of the process improvement sessions. At that time, you can directly escalate whatever the problems that you are having. We can solve it and we can also resolve. Other than that, the other team that is software trainings and the department means and for all the development and your query resolving that all things, you can directly reach out to Peter Pradhan. He is the trainings head on tech. Okay, and he will be resolving if anything is there regarding the process or anything. He will be managing everything and he will be helping you out with it. Okay. Means I might think like you all have connected with us. Actually, they are the first. Means he is the first face that so whom you are connecting with. So he's a great man. You can directly ask them whatever the doubt that you are having. And it's not the subject doubt. Subject doubt you require to ask to your trainers. Anything in the process or any problem that you're having, you can directly update with the uh, with us only. Is the training set. Okay. Yeah, so the next will be the AI in the cloud infrastructure. For that, Kripal Singh is there. He will also be there on your when your sessions will be started. He might be taking sessions. Other than that, he will be also be taking some of the process improvement sessions for these other things. Okay, for the AI, not the cloud infrastructure yet. We haven't provided that. Okay, so he will be managing everything over here on the AI as well as cloud infrastructure as well as the data analytics and data science and engineering. Okay, so these are all the things about means in the company, what's happening, and how it is happening. So currently, what is there like the revenue means in the last when we have calculated, the total profit is going up by 15%, and we have also so if you are calculating, if you are seeing of the last calculated levels, we are 9% above that right now. Okay, so that's how we are going, and we will be growing, and we are trying to grow more, and we really need your support also, and more innovations on the the on the path. Okay, like that's why it's just keep innovating, don't stop, and it is very necessary for you and also the company to. Means we also need to give you a chance, okay, to showcase that. But the thing is, like, you need to also showcase it, like, yeah, I'm the only person that can do. Okay, I am having that particular skill and I can handle that completely. Okay, that you need to make us ensure of it. Okay, if you are ensuring, then we'll be that to be. Okay, so don't worry about anything like on support part, on trainings part, on internship part, on software development part, or on any of the department or any problem that you are having. Don't worry about anything. Just escalate it with the team. They will be handling that. And we do also ensure quality, as I've already mentioned before. Also, quality should be on the top. Okay. So we do also ensure the quality of the training should be good. Okay. And I will personally ensuring the quality for the software development part. Okay. So don't worry, the team is there. Just learn. If you came here, just learn it, innovate it, and you are good to go. Okay. So don't worry about any certificates or anything that will be released after your completion. Okay. What means that also team is there. Okay. They will be handling it. You don't need to speak out with that kind of things. It will be automatically given to you. Okay. And about stipend also, it will also be provided according as per the time and as per your performance that is written over there. And for more info, you can directly mail them if you have any more doubt on this all parts. Okay, they will be handling that up for it. Okay, so don't worry about anything on the process. Just if you're coming over here, just go on freely and do innovation. Okay, that's all from myself. And also, yeah, events and webinars. So we will be conducting if some developers from some other company, like let's say Amazon, Nvidia, or Google, AMD, and many more, they are. Means we have already done multiple small scale as well as feature implementation projects of these all companies. So we are inviting them continuously if they are having some time for us to give. So we will be having one-on-one events or webinars conducted at our in-house that you can also join over there on the inside the comfort of your home. It will be online. Okay, you can directly join onto that, and we will also be giving you a chance to directly connect with them and also let's ask. the questions, whatever the queries regarding your anything that that is regarding the topic, you can ask anything to them, and that will also be enhancing your skills, like what all things that are currently happening on the industry. Okay, you should always be updated on it. So that's why we will also be doing this thing. Okay, as per the time, means as per their availability and as per our time of availability also. Okay. So yeah. So these are things are there. And for the carriers, you can directly, once you are already over here, just nothing to explain. Okay, and yeah, connect information that you all know, like you will be having your support email. Okay, you can directly, for any of the support, you can directly mail at support@infotech.in. And other than that, you will be means anything regarding the stipend or anything, you can directly mail us at hr@infotech.in. Okay, and the phone number is there, and you can also call into them, and the associate will be taking up the calls, and they will be answering accordingly according to your question, and they will be helping you out. Okay, so the best part, not the best part, if I'm wrong, like means how you can solve your problem faster is by mailing. Okay, prefer mailing your documents because it will be recorded over there in the mail, and if it is not done, we can also escalate it with the related teams. Like, yeah, if you have mailed, why this mail have been ignored or anything like that. Okay, so that's why keep mailing. Okay, if any doubt is there, you can directly mail us. After that, if it is not listened, then you can go up onto the phone or on any means reaching out that kind of things. Okay, so like this should go. That's all from my side. And keep innovating, keep working on the products, and don't worry, you'll be having all your documents at your uh, mail. Okay, send very shortly. We are preparing on that, and we are also finalizing the products that will be that means you will be working on. Okay, so it will take some time. So adhere with that, and yeah, that's all from myself. And if any queries, if it is there, you can directly ask. Other than that, yeah, any queries there, you can ask one by one, please.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I don't call me sure.
Hi.
Call me Rajat 20. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I was wondering when the internship, like when the actual internship will begin, as in,
Yeah.
so when it does begin,
Yeah.
does the whoever is in charge of us give us the problem statement, or does he train us on the problem statement?
We will also be training on that problem statement, also be solving the problems. And other than that, we will also be getting some of the trainings on the
Sir,
critical
you are not
concepts
audible.
that you need to learn.
Sir, you are not audible.
In that sector.
No, you're good. You're audible.
Now it's audible.
Yes.
Yeah, sir. Now it's audible.
Yes, sir. All good.
Yeah, all right. So yeah, previously I was audible. No.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah,
bit
sir. It
voice
was
was
breaking up.
low. I can hear this.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, you will be getting the trainings on that critical concepts also, and other than that, you will be also getting the means the trainings on how you should develop the product, and other than that, whatever the doubt that you will be having while you are doing the product, list out them and directly ask them on the session. Okay, that will also be there. Okay, and we will also be arranging, if multiple doubts are coming, then we will also be arranging some doubt sessions also, and that also you can use for getting your doubts resolved. Okay, and what I suggest, okay, if you are asking for my suggestion as a tech lead, okay, so if there is a problem, if you are means pondering on that, means how to solve that problem, then you will be learning many things. Okay, like that I have done. So based on my means
Sure.
experience I am speaking. Like, if you are means working on your problems, no, like if, yeah, let's say one error comes, like it is not running, okay, due to this. Okay, if you are means pondering on that over internet, over checking on over the APIs and that all things that are readily available nowadays. Okay, so you will be also learning how to debug it. Okay, so debugging is also a skill that you need to learn. Got it. Means this is a training like right now. Means now the trainers will be helping out of it. In the live production environment, there will that means you will only be having your senior developers over there working. Okay, they might not be available while you will be working on the product. Okay, so at that time, if any bug do comes, then you will be facing too much difficulty on solving it. And if you are facing too much difficulty, then that product deliverables will also be getting late. Okay, so that's why if you're learning also learn how to debug problems. Okay.
Sir, what is the timing
Um,
training, sir?
Yes, what?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Tell me, please. Once again, please.
Sir, what is the timing of the training, sir?
That will be after 6.
Evening
And the
6.
dates, yeah, evening 6.
6
And
p.m.
the dates and that all things will be confirmed by the training stream apart. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh, Hello, Rajat. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yeah. So I am enrolled in the Python development domain. So
Yeah.
I was correct me if I'm wrong, but I did not see any mention of it. Uh,
No, no, that Python do comes under the machine learning only. Okay. So
ah,
that means that's the subdomain of it. Got it. So
okay.
that comes under the machine learning only.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah.
Sir, when exactly will you be starting the internship program, sir?
Yeah, it is already being started, but the thing is the
Okay.
documents are pending. So you will be getting the
Okay.
documents by the coming week. Okay, everything will be given to you on your mail. Okay, don't worry.
Okay. Because, sir, I joined for data analytics, so I just wanted to know
Yeah,
regarding it.
yeah. Don't worry. You will be getting that all things.
And,
Okay.
sir, will you
Sir,
be providing the projects like immediately?
Yeah. Immediately we will be providing the projects. That is
Okay, sir.
also,
Okay.
I mean, that is the only thing that is under the approval uh,
Okay.
of the senior tech leads. Okay, that's why it is going late.
Okay.
Okay, so just wait
Okay,
for
sir.
some more days. Okay, you will be getting
Okay.
all your project requirements and everything on your hand.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah,
good
Sir,
evening, sir. Hello, sir.
yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Good evening, sir. This is Rakesh. Sir, after
Yeah.
getting hands-on experience, may I know you can provide any placement, sir?
See, placement is completely on your hand. Okay, I will not be giving you a surety of it. If you are performing, you will be means getting the opportunity, but the opportunity you need to crack it. We will be helping on that. Okay, like
Okay.
how to crack, what you can enhance on your means profile so that you can crack it. Okay, that all things we can do. The thing is, you need to drive the car. We can't drive the
Yeah,
car. Got
yeah,
it?
sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
that's the thing.
hi Rajat.
Yeah, tell me, please.
Yeah, so actually, I want to know that how the team will be forming. Like, is there any
No,
do
no,
I?
no. That is completely based on your previous test that had happened. Okay, so that the team will extract the data and accordingly, according to your marks and all the things, according to your experience, they will be means segregating the teams. Okay.
Thank you.
Sir, do
So
we
how
have
many members? Yes,
sir?
what?
Do
Yeah,
we have any groups for every department? Like,
every department means
if I am selected on cybersecurity, then
okay.
do I have separate teams, or the teams will be assigned to me?
No, the teams will be assigned by the company only. You will be getting a mail of your team details. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay. I have a question, sir.
Yeah, please, Surya Prakash.
So, how many people in a team?
Yes, what? I'm sorry.
Sir, you tell me
You please
how many
ask
members
again.
in the team?
Actually, your voice is too cracking.
he's asking how many members.
Okay, how
Can you
many
hear me?
members? How many members? That is completely dynamic. Okay, there can be 2 members, there can be 3 members, there can be 5. Okay, so that is completely dynamic. That what they are doing. Okay, there is a dedicated team for doing these all stuffs. So they will be doing it. You will be getting to know. Okay, how means if there is 3 members, the whole
Okay.
project you need to means split onto 3 and you can do it, right? like that. Okay, that will be confirmed by your dedicated trainers. Okay, the trainers will be giving you all the idea on that. Okay.
So team performance will be impact.
Okay.
Team
Yes,
performance
what?
will impact individual performance.
No, 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 no. Here is the case. Like what I have observed, like from the previous team, like multiple peoples are not working on the product and they are also not responding within the team. Okay. So in that case, means your individual performance will be crushed, like what you have contributed on the product and what you have developed. If let's say I just give an example, like you are in a group of 5 members, okay, in which 3 members are not active and 2 are active. Okay, so that 3 members, you just ask them like, do you want to contribute or not for the 3 times? Okay, if they are not replying, they are not interested, leave them. Okay, so if you both are interested and you are doing the product, so you will only be doing and you will be only getting that all benefits. Okay, so like that it will be having. So the team performance is not there. Your individual contributions will be grudged from your GitHub.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Yeah. Good evening.
Actually, I want to ask about how often you connect with the trainers and the team members. And
The details will be shared on your mail. No, I've told you the details will be shared on your mail.
I mean, in general,
Yes, what?
in a week, how often you connect with the team members or trainers?
Actually your voice is too low. It's not coming in. Uh, that's why. Can you please write it down in the chat? Yeah, sessions will be recorded. Each and every sessions will be recorded. You will be getting the recorded sessions. Okay.
Hello,
Yeah.
am I audible, sir?
Yeah, you're audible.
Sir, I am asking that in general, how often we'll connect with our trainers and team members in a week or in a month?
Team members' details will be shared to you, like their phone numbers, their email address, and everything. You can means form a group as per your convenience. Okay, like that you can contribute within them. Okay, other than that you can directly means for the trainers and that all things, we'll be giving you a Discord server in which you can directly means ask them the question. Means they are the developers and also the trainers and also the stakeholders may be there in that means in that Slack or Discord server that will be providing. Okay, and there you just need to capture the picture of what are the problems that you are having and just write down that problem and post it over there. So like that it will be happening. Yeah, means happening. And if you are feeling uncomfortable or something on means sending that on to the on means on your Slack or on the Discord, so at that time we'll be arranging the doubt session. So on that doubt session, you can means directly convey your doubts over there, and they will be doing it. Means they will be solving it. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, one more thing I want to tell you. Like I means not tell you. I will just request you. Means can everyone just turn on your means cams so that I can just verify the attendance over here. Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Tell me. Tell me, guys, please. Okay. Okay, so can you please turn on your cameras? So we will be tracking the attendance, so that's why this camera is on. So like that, they are active. That's why. Just turn on your cams. I'll just wait for 1 minute. Okay, just turn on the cams. Yeah, and one more thing. According to the updates, it means your sessions and everything will be started most probably on or after that. Means Wednesday or Thursday. Okay, by Wednesday it means the ETA is Wednesday. Okay, by Wednesday it will be started. Okay, if it is not started by Wednesday, it will be started by after that second day only. All right. So, but I have the information, and before that also it can be started. So we'll be informing you on that. Okay. Please turn on your camera so that I can note down all of your attendances for today's introduction. All right, great. Yeah, thank you all. I've tracked everyone's. Okay, okay, fine. You can turn off your cams, and thank you all. We'll be meeting on or before Wednesday. Okay. Thank you all for joining this session and keep innovating. Whenever you are receiving your means that project docs, keep on innovating on it. Just learn that what are problem statements that are there. Okay, and try to gain some knowledge on that. Try to gain some insights on like what are the things that you can do on that problem statement, as well as what all products that are currently running that is adhering to that problem statement. Okay. Okay, so that's all from myself, and thank you all. And yeah, thank you.